Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll visit a city that has become famous and immortal over time. Thanks also to the famous Dante Alighieri, who described its beauty in his Divine Comedy. Please watch the whole video, and in the end, don't forget to share it with your friends. So, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button. This will definitely help us to grow, and we'll surely be able to post more videos in the future.
So, for me today is the most excited day, not because this is the most beautiful or the most iconic city in the Tuscany, but because if you are a fan of Assassin's Creed, for sure you will recognize this city.
The city is located exactly halfway between Siena and Florence, and its strategic position has made it the scene of countless battles between the two rival cities. The walls of Monteriggioni were never conquered militarily, only in the 1554 when the Sienese entrusted the control of the garrison to Giovannino Zeti. Exiled from Florence in an act of reconciliation with the Medici, Zeti simply handed over the keys of the city to the Florentine forces.
Monteriggioni is a very little medieval village, but here it's really lovely and we don't have to walk much, so I really love it here. Let's have a little walk and see around, and also we have a little view up there. decided to have lunch here at Antico Travaglio, and it's a really cute place to eat, and we decided to take some appetizer first, and then we took what was the name of that pasta, Mo?
Pappardelle al sugo di cinghiale e sempre pappardelle al sugo di chianina. 2 pasta dish with meat.
Excellent.
So, remember for the people, what did you take?
Pappardella with boar, a ragu with boar, tomato sauce with boar. Now that we are done with the beautiful castle of Monteriggioni, we are heading to some beautiful places nearby. So let's go and discover together. Now we are in front of the Abbadia Isola, in front of a church, a little church, but looks really cute from outside. Let's go to see how is it inside. Of Eremo di San Leonardo, a place where the monk used to come to meditate and find peace. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to enter inside because it closed at 3:30 and we just arrived and it's like 4 in the afternoon. So that's really sad that we haven't been able to enter, but still we can have a little tour around.